Hello, and thank you for watching. In this video, we're going to walk through the setup process for MyFrame Gallery's optional wishlist feature. The wishlist allows your patients to communicate which frames on your gallery they are interested in before they come in for their appointment. It adds a new dimension to patient engagement and allows you to prepare for the appointment by having the frames ready to try on when the patient arrives. You can also be prepared to suggest some alternatives since you may have a sense of the styles your patients are looking for. It's an opportunity to really improve the patient experience simply by showing that you care enough to review their list and prepare for their visit. Here's a gallery with the wishlist feature turned on. Patients add frames to their wishlist as they browse by clicking on the little red hearts on each frame. The wishlist will be sent to you and them by email. Now let's look at the setup. First, log into your Frames Data account. Once you are logged onto framesdata.com, go to your frame gallery. To access your frame gallery, you can either click on the banner or go to the drop-down menu under My Frames Data. You will now see three options: Setup and Management, Wishlist Settings, and Frequently Asked Questions and Resources. Click on Wishlist Settings. Your first step will be to fill out and return a Business Associate Agreement to Frames Data. Simply follow the instructions that will appear when you first access this section. For the purposes of this demo, we're going to assume that you've already completed that step. To send the wish list to your practice, your patient will fill out a form which will be sent to you via email. This part of the demo will customize the form for your practice and allow you to set up options for the email deliveries. First, fill out your practice's information under Form/Email Settings. As you make changes, you will notice that the form preview on the right of the screen automatically updates as you go. The email address. Who in your office should wishlist be emailed to? It is important that this email be checked frequently so that wish lists do not fall through the cracks. The from email address. Your patient will also receive a copy. What email address should it be from? Keep in mind that your patient may reply to this email, and so this address should be something that is checked frequently as well. You also have the option to include a custom email message that will accompany the wish list. We suggest something along the lines of, "We're looking forward to helping you find the perfect frame," or "We're looking forward to your visit. Have questions? Please call 555-555-555 or reply to this email." The next section says, "What do you want to ask those who submit wish lists?" This is the information we are asking patients to submit. We require first and last name as well as email. You can also ask for their phone number or make it optional for them to answer. Next, there are optional yes and no questions about whether they have an appointment, whether they want someone to contact them about an appointment, and whether you can add them to your mailing list to send marketing information and promotional offers. Check the box to include in the form. Now save your settings and you're nearly done. Take a look at the form preview and make sure the information you've added to it is accurate. If you do make any changes, remember to save wishlist settings. You will now want to test your form. Using the preview form, fill in your email and your information as if you are the patient and click send. Check your email afterwards to see what your patient will be receiving from you. If you have any changes you want to make, you can always return to this page and make the necessary changes. Just remember to always click Save Wishlist Settings so the changes will be saved. The last step of this process is to turn your wish list on. If everything looks okay and your staff is ready to start accepting wish lists, then click on the red Wish List Off button to make it active. The button will now become green and say Wish List On. And that means, you guessed it, your wish list is now turned on. Visit your gallery and you will now see that all frames have a heart next to them, ready to be added to wish lists. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please call our technical support line, or if you want a live demo, please go on framesdata.com/gallery.